Welcome to Akamas. In this short video, we will see how to extend your CI/CD practices with Akamas performance optimization. Let's have a look at the Jenkins pipeline that includes an optimization step. A developer has pushed some changes in the codebase that triggers a new execution. We are at iteration number 80. The first steps of this pipeline takes care of building and deploying a Docker image on a cloud instance using Ansible. Once the deployment has been completed, a health check is executed to verify that the application has been correctly started, and a smoke test is performed to verify that it's behaving correctly, at least for a single user. After that, the pipeline triggers Akamas to execute an optimization study, which involves creating and running an optimization study by invoking the Akamas CLI. Let's have a closer look at this optimization study by moving for a moment to the Akamas UI. Notice that this optimization study has been named after the pipeline number 80. In this pipeline, the optimization step was meant to reduce as much as possible the memory consumption. Here is how the goal is defined. As you can see, the goal includes constraints requiring that the current throughput and the response time need to be preserved. The Akamas study consists of a first experiment to assess the baseline performance and by following experiments to identify the optimal configuration. In each experiment, the custom-defined workflow is executed by setting the configuration parameters, restarting the application, verifying the application health, and then triggering the load test. Finally, the experiment performance with respect to the defined goal and constraints is evaluated. During the study, we can monitor how the optimization is progressing. Here, each dot represents an experiment. In this case, after a few experiments, a configuration that improves upon the baseline has already been identified by Akamas AI. After each experiment, we can analyze how performance metrics behave under the applied configuration and the workload. Let's get back to the Jenkins pipeline, where the optimal configuration found by Akamas can be automatically applied and leveraged in following steps of the pipeline. Now this pipeline has been defined to also execute the no regression step. So Akamas is invoked again to verify that SLOs are met and no performance regression has been introduced in this release. On the Akamas UI, we can see how this no regression step corresponds to another study, this time with a different set of goals and constraints, still defined on throughput and response time. Depending on the outcome of this no regression step, the pipeline could either fail or complete the release. This concludes our video. We hope you liked this example of how to take advantage of Akamas AI-powered performance optimization in your CI/CD pipeline. Thanks again for your interest.